Can take another example. If any sample contains 196 gram sulfuric acid, then find out the following. The first question, number of moles of H2SO4 molecules, that is the formula of sulfuric acid. Now the second question is read, number of moles of total atoms, and third one, number of moles of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen individually. Now we will solve the question. As we know, number of moles of H2SO4 molecules will be given mass upon GMM. Here we use GMM because we want to find out the number of moles of molecules, not number of moles of atoms. Given mass is equal to 196 gram upon GMM. Firstly, we calculate the mass of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and here 2 atoms of hydrogen present in one molecule of H2SO4, so we can write into 2, plus here 1 atom of sulfur present in one molecule of H2SO4, and the gram atomic mass of sulfur is 32, so we can write 32, plus here 1 atom of oxygen present in one molecule of H2SO4, and gram atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16, and here 4 atom present, so we can write into 4, and it will be 98 grams. So we can say that the gram molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 grams, so we can divide 196 by 8 and it will be 2. So we can say that the number of moles of H2SO4 in 196 gram will be 2. Now we will solve the second question, number of moles of total atoms. As we know, one molecule of H2SO4 contain total 7 atoms. That is 2 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atom of oxygen, and it will be 7. So we can say that 2 moles of H2SO4 molecules will contain 2 into 7 is equal to 14 moles of total atoms. Now we will find out individual moles. Firstly, number of moles of hydrogen atoms. As we know, one molecule of H2SO4 contains 2 atoms of hydrogen, so 2 moles will contain 2 into 2 is equal to 4 moles of hydrogen atom, and number of moles of sulfur atoms will be 2 into 1 is equal to 2, because one molecule of H2SO4 contains 1 atom of sulfur, so 2 moles molecules will contain 2 into 1 is equal to 2 mole atoms of sulfur, and number of moles of oxygen atoms is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8 moles, because one molecule of H2SO4 contains 4 atoms of oxygen. So 2 moles of H2SO4 molecules will contain 2 into 4 is equal to 8 moles of oxygen. Third point, number of moles of gas at STP is equal to given volume of gas at STP upon 22.4 liter. Now we can take some examples. Find out the number of moles of carbon dioxide gas if the volume of gas is 44.8 liter. So we can solve the question. Number of moles of gas. This formula will be applicable only at STP. So we can write at STP in question, because the volume of gas depends on pressure and temperature. So at particular temperature and pressure this formula will be applicable, and another temperature or pressure this formula will not be applicable. So we can say that if this statement at STP will be given in the question, then we will use a formula, otherwise we can't use the formula, because this volume of 1 mole will not be applicable at another temperature and pressure. So number of moles of gas is equal to given volume of gas at STP, and the given volume is 44.8 liter upon 22.4 liter, and this will be cancelled out by 2. 22.4 and we will get 2. So we can say that 44.8 liter of carbon dioxide contains 2 moles of carbon dioxide molecule. Now we can take another example. Find out the number of moles of hydrogen gas if the volume of gas is 44.8 liter. Now we can say that number of moles of hydrogen is equal to given volume, that is 44.8 liter upon 22.4 liter, and this will be also 2. So we can say that number of moles of gas not depend on the nature of gas, it is a constant value for constant quantity. So we can say that the number of moles not depend on nature of gas, it is only depend on volume of gas. If any gas contains 44.8 liter volume, that means it contains 2 mole of molecules. You can say that equal volume of gas contains equal number of molecules or equal moles of gas.